guys, what park do you think we're going to today? Any hints, Brian?
It has a kingdom in the name.
So you got two choices. I'm pretty sure you guys know which one you'll probably go to.
So, up above, or over here, wherever it goes, I'm going to put a poll, and I want you guys to rate your favorite park at Disney World. The only 4 choices you'll have are Hollywood Studios, Epcot, Magic Kingdom, and Animal Kingdom. So let's see how many people participate in the poll, and let's see which one is your favorite.
And if there's people that vote, then we could probably go to that park, and then we'll do another poll of like what you guys want us to do, or to eat, or what attractions to ride.
Yes.
Here's a little hint of where we're going today. Don't mind the love bug stuff here.
So we're out and about. We're in Lake Wells, and there's a place called Spook Hill.
So you stop the car in a white line, place the neutral, and let it roll back.
We're going to put it to the test. Alright. Stopped. The neutral. Holy shit.
It goes fast.
Yeah, it does. This is crazy. All I'm doing is steering. Wow. That takes off on you. Back at the sign.
No, we're actually going. Hard to see if the road bugs.
So, another YouTuber came here and there's a Lowe's and Home Depot right up the street, got a level and put it on the white line, and it was completely level. So it begs the question, is it an optical illusion? Even though it is a steep hill, I mean, it takes off on you. And it's like, you know those little car washes that you put the car in neutral and it washes your car and it pushes you through? It kind of feels like that, but less extreme, because you actually can see where you're going.
One last thing I forgot to show you. Look at how cool. Can you guys tell that we're a pass holder? So this is a real letterbox. You can drop them here. and they actually get sent out, and they'll have Magic Kingdom on it.
That's something where you hear that you can't pull. Oh, you can't pull it down now.
Yeah, so like you just put your letters and stuff in here. So like for Christmas and stuff, we were gonna put them in there so that way it's like stamped for Magic Kingdom. Isn't that cool? Dumbo.
So this is for her aunt.
She loves Dumbo.
So we decided to ride it.
It's really cool to look.
Get ready to take off with the world's oldest flying elephant, Dumbo!
Oh, that's the backpack people? That's pretty cool.
You ready?
We're going to fire.
There's the... What do you see? There you go. Go up! Doesn't do it?
I don't think it can go up higher.
Well, this is all we're going. We can't go high and stuff. Look.
Oh, whoa.
It doesn't go up. There it goes. Now we're going up. Yay!
Oh, you got that? Oh, look at that cloud. Great Dumbo fly high, lift and hold, deliver up. Lift and hold.
Lift and hold.
Hello, peasants.
What a great flight! Okay, everybody, now just stay seated until Dumbo comes to a stop. Then you
That was fun. Okay, so we came to Pinocchio's village house and I got the Tango de Claire. We're gonna try that. And then because my Auntie Nan loves Dumbo, we got her the Dumbo Sipper.
Of course, now it's not a surprise if she watches it.
If she watches it. So happy early birthday. You ready to try the Claire?
Here you go. Wait, hold on, look at the frying pan.
I know, look how cute. It's chocolate. It's dark chocolate. By the way, this is $6.
Total price was $23.41.
There's not a lot of flavor in this. Try it. There's no flavor.
It's not, I don't care for it, but it's not bad.
There's a girl flavor on the way that you can say it. Okay, so how was the eclair, Brian?
I don't care for it. I'm not a big creamy guy. I don't even like icing on cake. I don't. But
Shocker.
it's not bad. It doesn't have a lot of flavor to it. It's kind of bland.
Okay, so you have to like take a few bites, but there's like a filling right there, and it does give it some flavor, but not like a whole bunch.
I'll try it again. I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay.
That's the flavor. So hopefully when you take a couple bites, it gives it a little bit more flavor, but not like a lot of flavor. Okay guys, so we have a fast pass for Splash, but there's a whole bunch of lightning. So
Felt a couple drops, but we were also walking over the bridge. That could have been splashing on me. Get the fun.
Funny. We'll see in a bit.
Yeah, this is awesome.
They can just stop it right now.
Yeah, really.
There you guys can see the lightning and thunder got loud a while ago.
And they just shut down Splash right when we got off.
Yeah, I'm gonna go see if I can find friends, my old friends at Pirates when I was there a few years ago. They also have a fast pass for it too, so we're just kind of wasting time.
Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hens to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want.
So Pirates of course is awesome. I finally got a shirt from there, so if you see me, I'll be wearing that shirt.
I think we're gonna miss a show.
There's a show that's later. It's after Happily Ever After, but there's still like lightning and thunder. I'm not sure if you guys can see or hear it.
Lightning, thunder. One of the words.
Those are probably the only words to that song, really.
Hey.
Well, we're gonna head on over there and see if we can try to catch it and get a little bit for you guys.
Once upon a time, there lived a selfish young prince who turned away an old vagabond looking for shelter in his castle. To punish his unkind behavior, she turned him into a hideous beast and placed a powerful spell on all who lived there. That's right, dear. The only way to break the spell was for him to learn to love another and earn her love in return. But who could ever learn to love a beast?
Okay, yeah. Yeah, we have to go.
So, this is gonna be our outro. We're just chilling.
Our park is literally gonna close in like 1 minute. First, we're on our relaxation kind of ride.
You kind of need it when you're trying to fight the crowds.
Yeah, kind of wait for them to leave so that way they have lots of time in between.
So, we tried 2 new snacks that are limited.
Welcome aboard the Tomorrowland Transit Authority.
And the brownie and then the eclair.
The eclair, yeah.
So, like we said, please support us.
Yep.
We're on Instagram, we're on Twitter, we're on Snapchat. We're mostly using Instagram right now.
And I'm kind of trying new things with the editing. So if you have any suggestions or if you like what we're doing, let us know. If it's a little bit too much of something, let us know too.
Yeah. Of course, be nice. Saying it. We try to be nice
So,
by saying things that may not happen or that are not that good. But be nice when you say it, please.
so we will see you guys. It's about to get dark, so we'll see you guys later. Bye.